What if you could create content across all your platforms automatically in minutes without ever feeling stuck or overwhelmed? In the next 30 seconds, I'm pulling back the curtain on how ambitious entrepreneurs like you can finally make content creation effortless and actually fun. Hi, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. After helping hundreds of business owners automate the content hamster wheel, I'm sharing the same step-by-step approach so you can build a powerful system that works while you sleep. First, I'm breaking down the real reasons content creation feels like such a slog for most business owners. Then I'll show you exactly how to set up an AI-powered workflow, even if you're not techie, that gathers your videos, social posts, and emails with a few clicks. Finally, I'll cover the one thing almost nobody's teaching that makes your content instantly stand out. First, let's talk about the problem. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you're spending hours a week creating content, but it's all over the place. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, maybe Pinterest. Your message never really feels consistent, and growth, it's flat. Why? Because it's scattered and always starting from scratch. Step 1, centralize your content. That means gathering everything you already have, website, member areas, Instagram posts, even transcripts from your coaching app, and putting it in one place where AI can learn your voice and style. One of my favorite tools for this is Delphi's Builder or Scalar plans, which let you upload up to 1 million words or more, meaning years of your best work can finally work for you. Step 2, create a repeatable workflow. Here's what I do. Every week, I record a 4-minute voice note where I answer a burning question or share a big insight. I drop that file in one folder and the automation takes over. It turns my voice into a blog post, YouTube script, Instagram captions, email, everywhere my audience hangs out. Plus, it notifies my team so they can schedule and post for me. Imagine dropping your thoughts in and getting 2 weeks of content done. If you're finding this useful, hit like and subscribe so you never miss an insider strategy to work less and earn more. Here's step 3, customize your platform mix. Maybe you love TikTok and don't care about LinkedIn, or you need Instagram Reels, Pinterest Pins, and YouTube Shorts. The best automations let you pick exactly where your content goes, so you're only creating what moves the needle for your business. Here's a bonus pro tip. Don't just teach your AI with your website and post. Feed it actual transcripts of how you coach, like from your Voxer or DMs. That brings your authentic tone and coaching style into every reply and post, so clients actually feel like you're in the room, making trust and connection automatically. And for an even bigger shortcut, you can get the Moneymaker GPT I use for free. Just click the link in the description to grab yours and finally make content creation a true growth engine for your business. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.